Today we're in a tent. So
Overnight challenge.
it's an overnight tent challenge. And my friend over there. Okay, hello. Yeah. And then also that's the door.
So we're in the tent.
My friend. And today we are going to. We got water. We got graham crackers. We got my shoes. And then we got blankets and a pillow. No editing. No cutting it out.
This is going to be
So, we may
we aren't going to edit it.
just
and
do like.
probably
So I'll see you tomorrow.
13 hours
So,
something like that.
Hey Lucas, should I set the camera like somewhere where they can watch me sleep, or should I just end the video and do a new video tomorrow?
But then, you know how YouTubers, everybody they cut, and you don't know where they doze off to? I don't know. They probably go inside or something. But we ain't gonna check nothing else. So, I'm gonna set you guys in a couch, like, till the morning,
Yeah. So first off, you see the light? Yeah, it's bright. Just kidding, it's not. Today, let me just plug my charger in. No host.
a place to set you guys. So,
Hold on. Hello? Oh, I'm scared.
So loud. Oh, thank you. Oh, thanks. Wi-Fi's pretty bad in here, but still works.
It's like you might have to turn with your head this way so the phone is closer to the house.
Oh, you got the elbow one for us? Thank you. I know exactly. Oh,
No, this one is just so I can walk around. When I go in, if you want it, then I'll.
I was just, you can have this flashlight. I was trying to put it just like under a wall over there.
Well, I'll let you guys keep this one when I go inside, but right now I need it to be able to see in the yard.
Okay. Sounds good.
But I do need the female phone for him to the signal.
Okay.
So if you're not using it right now, then I'll take it down.
How is it safe? It's been on the charger. It has.
Plug it in for 20 minutes and charge it really fast. A third of the time. The only reason I'm saying you make sure you guys are a little cold is because you have all the windows open.
Oh, okay. Good night, love you. Like for maybe like 8 minutes, it in 6 minutes during the video. So basically it's like, let me see, 6 plus 2. No, 6 plus what you say? 6, yeah, 6 plus 2. So basically 2 more minutes, and then I'm gonna end the video. Hello. 1 more minute and I'll end the stream. I mean the video. And if I had Chrome, I would do a stream because you have to have Chrome to do a stream. Like I have it, but like you have to log in. I don't want to do that. So yeah. We're about to end the video. Maybe 2 more minutes. Cause I want it to be a 10-minute video. Like the SMLs. Like if you haven't watched the SMLs, go check it out. It's link in my bio. It is the channel is Super Bowser Logan.
No, I just found the holder for the flashlight.
Okay. Anyway. So anyway, 2 more minutes. Yay. Actually, no. Let's just end the video now. And bye, guys. I'll see you in the morning.